but like in here, you step out. So the key to turn people like that to a slow punch is in here. If I'm this far, and that's a lot of force. But I step up. When you are closing, that's the Tai Chi thing. You close the gap, and then when you do it, and it's symmetrical, you could do it the other hand even if you don't practice. Like if you punch here, right, in here. So once you are close to a person, it's very easy to move them. Especially if you in here, like how to uproot her. In here, let's say do a slower punch. In here, you direct. See, she's already liver up